temperature conversion formulas that you should memorize. Say these after me. 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, 273 kelvins. Now, let's go back and let's look at what brings us to these values. If it was 0 degrees Celsius and we plugged into this first formula, 9/5 of 0 is 0. Add that to 32 and that would give you the conversion in degrees Fahrenheit. If the Fahrenheit value in this formula was 32, we would say 32 minus 32 is 0. 5/9 of 0 makes what? In this last formula, if degrees Celsius was 0, 0 plus 273 makes this value here.